Hey friends, Elise here. I'm so excited to show you we have extended our Clover collection. We have 3 new products in our Clover line. The first is a limited edition palette. The second is a beautiful new melted matte. And the third is a little plushie. I'm gonna walk you guys through a quick look. I don't have a lot of time, so I just did this look on my eyes, and I'm gonna show you how using the new Clover palette. This is my favorite travel palette. It's perfect, it's tiny, it's compact, but every single color is super wearable and blendable. And to celebrate the launch of this collection, we are donating $150,000 to Best Friends Animal Society to help animals in need. You guys, look at this little ear. Look at Clover's little ear. We love animals. And then I just want to quickly show you, this was our original shade of Clover Melted Matte. So it's a dusty rose shade, and this is a blushing peach. This is the new one. So I'm going to show you guys on a swatch in the next slide. All right, puppies, these products are available at TooFaced.com only, so swipe up to shop. Help a little animal in need.